The government's been opening germ labs all over the country, supposedly developing drugs and vaccines to protect us against bioterror. But he claimed these labs, our labs, could kill us all.
There were about 200 high-containment germ lab facilities in 2001. There are now at least 1,356, plus many more off the books. You now have a kind of military, academic, industrial complex that is devoted to hyping the fear of bioterror so that they will continue to get the funds.
Let me ask you this, what do these places actually do?
A whole bunch of things, some of it very reckless. We have a clear indication that accidents are occurring regularly. They're being concealed from the public because the biodefense industry does not want the American public to become concerned about their activity.
We know other countries and terror groups are ready to use bioweapons against us. So you'd figure defense research would be a good thing. Kenneth King warned that it's not.
They are taking the approach that a terrorist might create some new pathogen, so we'll go ahead and do it ourselves to see if it's possible to do it. And then once we've done it, maybe we can dream up a defense against it.
And what you're telling me is they're not taking the proper precautions at these facilities, that a risk could be run, that some of this bio stuff could get loose?
They're refusing to acknowledge the possibility that this stuff could get loose.
These things seem out of control, and they're all a bunch of outlaw cowboys each and every facility.
Yes, that's what I think.
This is something that could affect someone from Maine to California,
Absolutely.
From Alaska to Florida.
Absolutely.
How much involvement in these labs does the Department of Homeland Security have now?
Well, right now, they are trying to build a couple of the big labs themselves, and they were going to develop animal diseases that spread between animals and humans. Well, after they started getting some flack, they posted this little diseases of interest list that took off most of the scary bioweapons agents.
Are they lying?
I think so, yes.
Really? So
Yes.
the Department of Homeland Security is being untruthful with the American public and what?
That's what I think.
Kenneth King spelled out the conspiracy. Bioweapons research masquerading as animal research. Germs and viruses that are supposedly restricted to animals crossing over to humans. And the labs themselves letting all kinds of germs and bioweapons escape into the air, into your neighborhood. In your opinion, what's the worst case scenario we face?
The worst case scenario is that viruses they created could get out of the lab and start that pandemic that we've all been worrying about.
Sounds like we've dodged the bullet so far, but luck can't hold out forever.